Students, you are aware that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living body. There are some unicellular organisms like amoeba, chlorella, in which a single cell performs all functions. In multicellular organisms, for example in human beings and plants, functions are performed by a group of cells. Let us learn more about the world of cells, tissue and organ system. The students, teacher and non-teaching staff are a group of persons performing special duties in school. They work in coordination with each other to form the school administration. There exists a division of labor and interdependence between these groups. In living organisms, each specialized function is taken up by a group of cells at a definite place in the body. Such a group of cells, which is similar in structure and work together, is called a tissue. Muscle, blood, xylem, phloem, cambium are some examples of tissues in living organisms. In living organisms, different types of tissues work together and form an organ. Organs are arranged into systems to form an organ system. Example, respiratory system, digestive system, blood circulatory system, muscular system, nervous system. An organism consists of such organ systems working together: xylem, phloem, cambium. Tissues in plants and animals. We find noticeable differences in the functions of body parts of plants and animals. Body parts are called as organs. Organs are made up of tissues, which in turn are groups of cells. As there are differences in the function of body parts or organs, obviously the structure of tissues and cells are bound to be different in both these types of living organisms. Students, let's take an example. Growth in plants is restricted to the tips of stems and roots, whereas in case of animals, the growth is uniform all over the body and there is no such demarcation of dividing and non-dividing regions as in plants. Therefore, the tissues which are responsible for growth in plants and animals have different structures.